Welcome to Tally Help videos. In Tally Prime, the B2C and B2B invoices overview report gives you a clear picture of the reporting status of B2C invoices and the clearance status of B2B invoices. In some cases, your sales invoices may be rejected by the invoice system. To fix the rejected invoices, you need to pass a credit note and generate a new invoice. In this video, you will learn how to mark those invoices as replaced and undo the vouchers marked as replaced if needed. Let's see how to mark the vouchers as replaced. The invoices rejected by the invoice system will appear in the B2C and B2B invoices overview report under the following sections: ready for QR code generation or invoice clearance. Invoice clearance rejected by invoice system, correction needed. Invoice reporting rejected by invoice system, correction needed. Once the credit notes are created for the rejected invoices listed under these sections, you can exclude these invoices from the overview report. For example, let's check the invoices listed under Ready for QR code generation in the B2C invoices overview report. Use spacebar to select one or more transactions as needed and press Alt-D. This moves them from the Ready for Invoice Generation section to the Vouchers Marked as Replaced section. Note that the Vouchers Marked as Replaced section will only appear in the B2C and B2B invoices report if you have enabled the option Show Vouchers Marked as Replaced from F12. Now, let's see how to undo the vouchers marked as replaced if they were marked as replaced by mistake. From the Vouchers Marked as Replaced section, drill down from the voucher count column under B2C or B2B as needed. Depending on your selection, the B2C invoices overview or the B2B invoices overview report opens. Use spacebar to select one or more transactions and press Alt-A to undo the vouchers that are marked as replaced. As you saw from the B2C and B2B invoices report in Tally Prime, you can mark rejected invoices as replaced and undo them anytime if needed. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.